Okay, so we are picking up with the problems. They define the indicated value. If it's undefined, say so. These ones are all just basically off the unit circle. So 52, the sine of 90 degrees. So we just look at it. What is the sine of 90 degrees? Let's review. Cosine are what values? X. Sine is, and then tangent is y over x. So what is sine? 1. Yay. 54, the cotangent of 90 degrees. So if tangent is y over x, then cotangent is going to be x over y. So that would be 0 over 1, which is 0. $58. Cosine of negative 90 degrees. Zero. All right, 60. Tangent of 450 degrees. So this one, is it? I don't even know. Oh, yeah. So we go all the way around once, and that's 360 degrees, and then we keep going until we get to 450. So 90 plus 360 is 450, so tangent is undefined. All right, those are kind of boring, so we're going to move on.
This is just 5.2 examples continued.
Yeah. Use trig function values of quadrantial angles to evaluate each expression. So if you had something like tangent of 0 degrees or minus 6 sine of 90 degrees, we just have to evaluate. So the tangent of 0 degrees is what? 0. Minus 6 times the sine of 90 degrees is what? 1. So that's just going to be negative 6. If you had something like 76, 5 sine squared of 90 degrees plus 2 cosine squared of 270 degrees minus tangent of 360 degrees. One thing I want to note is that if you have something like cosine squared of 270 degrees, that's the same thing as the cosine of 270 degrees squared. So basically whatever this value ends up being, we're just going to square it. So let's see. So we have 5 times the sine of 90 degrees squared would be what? 1. Yeah, so it's just 1 plus 2 times cosine squared of 270.
No, 1.
Cosine. It's positive 270, right? Yeah. So it'd be 0. So 2 times 0, so that's going away. Minus tangent of 360.
0.
0. So this just ends up being equal to 5. These are more fun when they're not 0, 1, and negative 1.
I like them.
All right, use identities. Oh, wait. Not what I want to do. Pause. Give all 6 trig function values for each angle theta. Rationalize the denominators when applicable.
There are really only 27 days until senior trip.
Yeah.
Jeez, I should probably start looking for some stuff. Ugh.
Alright.
I need a bathing suit.
Cosine theta. I found a really cute one the other day that I think I'm gonna get.
I have one, a one piece. Actually, I have like several, so if anyone needs to borrow one.
I'm just about to, I don't even know.
Alright. Cosine theta is equal to negative 3 over 5. Theta is in quadrant 3.
Come on. Oh my gosh, I didn't do any of the homework for forensics. I'm so screwed.
So that means that theta is down here. Okay, it always is in connection with the x-axis. So there's my triangle. So this is the angle that I'm working with. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So 3 and 5. Because this is negative, the only value that's here that can be negative is the 3. As our hypotenuse value can't be negative. So then, what was the other side? Yep. It's a special triangle. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle.
I actually knew that.
It's also on the mu alpha theta poster back there. Each of those little blocks on the mu alpha theta thing represent like 1. So the A has 3, the M has 4, and the O has 5. So it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle if you look at it.
Oh, a little triangle in the middle.
That's why it's like that.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that definitely makes sense.
I noticed it this morning. That's why I said it. We were doing something with trig this morning. All right, so then it wants us to find all 6 trig functions. So sine of theta is yeah, well, that also led me to remember to remind you of something. This value is 4, but because it's going down, it's negative 4. So negative 4 over 5. Cosine was given to us, so we already know that one. Tangent. No.
4 over 3.
4 over 3. Cosecant. Yeah, the negative doesn't matter if it's top, bottom, or just in front. Secant. And cotangent.
3 over 4.
Beautiful. Yeah. 1 second. 144 cosecant of theta is equal to 2. Theta is in quadrant 2.
Maybe?
What?
Oh, nothing. No one that we know. That looks good.
That is comforting. Anybody else?
I think we're-
I'm good.
We almost went bowling.
Bad 'cause it's not water in there. Well, it's also nothing bad. It's just coffee. I feel like I should specify. Anyways.
That would not have been where my mind went, but okay.
Well, I don't
I
know.
think with some people I wouldn't, but not with anyone in this room.
I was gonna say something important.
Alright, so quadrant 2 is where?
Oh, she's not having a baby. She's getting married. That makes more sense. Anyway.
Fantastic, okay. Where's quadrant 2? Okay. So my triangle is going to be up here. Now cosecant would be what?
2 over 1. Oh wait, hold on.
Okay. Where do those things go? What does cosecant relate to? So if cosecant is 2 over 1, sine would be 1 over 2.
So it'd be 1 on the opposite side and 2 on the hypotenuse.
Yep. And then I just need to find this one.
Is it 3?
No, but you're close. Square root of 3.
Square root of 3?
Because it would be the square root of 4 minus 1 square root of 3.
I was close and you laughed at me.
I was
Take it back.
He had the square root of 2 and you had 3, so put them together and tag team. Woo! Alright, so then we can find the other functions.
Oh, I wasn't laughing at you.
I think someone like detached my shoulder and attached it back on.
Well, we kind of have decided that's what's happening.
It
So.
hurts so bad. It hasn't hurt this bad in a
Almost.
while.
Cosine.
Square root of 2.
Tangent.
Square root of 3 over 3.
Yeah, because it's opposite. So 1 over the square root of 3, which turns into that. So this was really 1 over the square root of 3, because when you get over here. Cosecant was given to us secant.
2 square root of 3 over 3.
2 square root of 3 over 3. And cotangent.
3 square root of 3. No, u square root of 3.
Beautiful. Do y'all need to see more of those, or are we okay with that?
That was most monotone flat right there.
All right. Then your problems are,
Oh, sweet, we're done?
yeah.
That's good.
I need to go to my car. But it's so cold. I don't want to go out there.
55, 59, 75.
Maybe Prince Charming will just come go get my stuff.
I'm going to
Just.
139.
I'm sorry. It was a perfect time to say that joke.
It was, but I didn't even hear what name you said.
And 143.
That's a good one.
The name which shall not be spoken.
Oh, okay. Because at first I thought he said Mason, and I was gonna kill.
That's what I said.
That is what he said.
Oh,